Liverpool won the Premier League last season. Then they fired the manager who won it. Arne Slot, 1 year removed from lifting the trophy in his very first season in charge, was dismissed after a stunning title defense collapse. In his place, Liverpool turned to a manager who has never coached in the Champions League, never managed a genuine title contender, and spent the last 3 seasons at Bournemouth. His name is Andoni Iraola, and this is why that decision might be exactly what Liverpool needed. Here is the first thing people get wrong. Most fans assume firing a championship-winning manager after one bad season is reckless, especially to replace him with someone from a mid-table club. In theory, you build on success, not tear it down. In practice, Liverpool spent $570 million strengthening the squad last summer and still finished 5th, missing Champions League qualification entirely on merit. Something beneath the surface was clearly broken. This sounds simple. It is not. Iraola's actual record tells a very different story than his modest reputation suggests. He took over a Bournemouth side that had never once qualified for European competition in the club's entire history. 3 consecutive seasons. He improved their league position every single year. 12th, then 9th, then 6th, with an 18-match unbeaten run to close out that final campaign, finally delivering Bournemouth's first ever European qualification. Here is where it gets interesting. Iraola did all of that while losing key players constantly. 3 of his 4 starting defenders left in a single summer, including Dean Huijsen to Real Madrid himself. Instead of collapsing, Bournemouth kept climbing the table. That is not the profile of a manager who got lucky with one good roster. That is the profile of a coach whose system works regardless of exactly who is wearing the shirt, whether you like it or not. That system is built around an identity Liverpool fans already know intimately. Intense, heavy-pressing football, explicitly compared by multiple reporters to Jurgen Klopp's approach that defined this club's most beloved era. After 2 years of Slot's more controlled, possession-heavy style, Liverpool is deliberately returning to the aggressive, suffocating football that built their modern identity in the first place. There is also a squad transformation happening around him that most fans have not fully processed yet. Alexander Isak and Florian Wirtz, 2 of last summer's most expensive signings, are only now getting a genuine chance to gel together under a manager who wants them pressing and attacking with real intensity, rather than fitting into a more cautious system. Early preseason reports from Liverpool's tour describe exactly that. A team being rebuilt around explosive, direct football. And here's what makes Iraola's appointment genuinely dangerous for the rest of the league. He inherits arguably the most talented squad he has ever managed, having spent his entire career until now working with limited budgets and overachieving anyway. Give a coach with his track record actual resources for the first time, and the results from Bournemouth suggest the ceiling gets significantly higher, not lower. So the next time someone questions why Liverpool fired a manager 1 year removed from winning the league, remember what they actually gained in return. Not a downgrade. A proven improver with a Klopp-shaped identity, walking into the best squad he has ever had access to. If breakdowns like this make football's biggest decisions make more sense to you, subscribe, because sometimes the most terrifying version of a team is the one nobody saw coming. You are welcome.